How to copy paste from PDF with the Adobe Acrobat. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect and best way. So let's start the video. And end of the video, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So here you can see I have opened the two PDF here. You can simply open by going go to this menu option, go to the open, select the PDF file. It will be open like this. So I have opened the two PDF file. So let me show you how you can copy the element from here and paste here. So just select the PDF which you want to copy from. Now under the all tools we need to click on this edit PDF, then this edit option will be visible to you. Now select the element which you want to copy. Now select the data from there. You can also copy with formatting, okay, or you can simply right click on it, copy it, or you can copy with formatting. I just copy with formatting. Now come to the another PDF file. Here we need to go in edit PDF again. Here we need to select the text. We need text element for this text. Now here just click into it, right click it and paste it. So it will be paste here. Copy, formatting, select all. Let me copy this one. Come here. Yeah, this has been insert. I can increase or decrease the size of this element by clicking this side arrow and drag like this. Okay. You can also copy paste the image. Just copy it. Come here. Just click on the blank area and paste here. The image will be pasted on the page. Now you can simply click on it and drag it and place where you want. Okay, so this is how you can copy paste the text from PDF to another PDF or same PDF. Okay, and under the PDF, if you want to add some pages, if you want to add more pages in PDF, then you can simply go to the all tools, organize page, and here, or you can simply click on this option here under the I have only one page here, so just scroll, just come on down bottom, you can see this option which is plus. Just click on it and go to the blank page. The blank page will be insert, and here you can go to the edit, insert the text box, and under this text box you can copy the text from another file or same file. Okay, if I select this contain and copy, let me come to the first one and paste here. Okay, so that is how you can copy paste from PDF by using Adobe Acrobat. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.